Welcome to Embedded Electronics. Here we will see 10 important question and answer. Question: what is the difference between volatile and non-volatile storage? Answer: volatile storage loses data when power is off, while non-volatile storage retains data even without power. Question: why is isolation important in power supply design? Answer: isolation protects circuits and users from high voltage and prevents noise from spreading between different sections of a system. Question: what is the purpose of a reset pin in microcontrollers? Answer: the reset pin restarts the microcontroller and brings it back to its initial state whenever triggered. Question: what is the difference between flash memory and EEPROM? Answer: flash memory is faster and stores data in blocks, while EEPROM allows byte-level read and write but is slower. Question: why is current limiting important in embedded hardware design? Answer: current limiting prevents damage to components by restricting the maximum current that can flow through a circuit. Question: what is the purpose of a brownout detector? Answer: a brownout detector monitors supply voltage and resets the system if the voltage drops below a safe level. Question: what is the difference between parallel processing and multitasking? Answer: parallel processing executes multiple tasks at the same time on different cores, while multitasking switches between tasks on a single core. Question: why is clock gating used in low-power design? Answer: clock gating saves power by disabling the clock signal to parts of a circuit that are not currently in use. Question: what is the difference between firmware update and software update? Answer: a firmware update changes the low-level code stored in device memory, while a software update changes higher-level applications running on the system. Question: what is the role of parity bit in data communication? Answer: a parity bit is an extra bit added to data for simple error detection during communication. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.